Ocean's wave 10. The intrinsic value of one job is $20,000 times 10 indirect, 220, 100 years, 22 million. That's clear. Then, if one wave generates 350 jobs, we have plenty examples in Mundaka, Playa Las Americas, Jeffreys Bay, Pipeline Hawaii, many places, Fiji, many places with beautiful, perfect waves generate 350 jobs approx. So you can multiply the president of your country times 22 million, 350 jobs. But the situation here, as economist, a statistician, and surfer, is that this job is not for 100 years, you see. This job is for perpetuity. So these 350 jobs every 350 meters, if we have the coast of Spain, then we could have approx 21,000 waves. Multiply times 350 jobs times 22 million intrinsic for 100 years. Very simple. The reason why it's perpetual is because we have average 1.5 meter waves in the north of Spain. 1.5. If you go towards Indian Ocean, Reunion, Mauritius, Madagascar, and so on, is 2.5, the average swell. So with 1.5, well, perhaps some Hawaiians will say it's 0.5. Yes, but we can excuse Hawaiians. They invented this. Although we are not going to listen to them. That's very clear. But we respect. That's very important in surfing. And without them, we would not be surfing. But the question is, how many jobs could we generate in 700 kilometers from the French frontier to the La Coruña or Vigo to the Portuguese frontier? Is it every meter one job for perpetuity? Yes, it is. Well, then this is free energy. The reason why the leaders of your country are very interested in providing these jobs is because we value this. Thank you. Bye. Like, subscribe.